Hello, everyone. Today, Paul and I are going to take you through an example of row-level security and the benefits that it provides users when they're using Power BI. So for this example, we've set up a fairly simple example. We've got a dimension table with employee information and a fact table with sales information. So I'll just quickly take you through those two tables. So for our employee dimension table, we've got the employee key, the name of the employee, the email, and the role. And then for our fact table, we've got the employee key along with quantity, which are just random numbers, just for this example. So to set up row-level security in Power BI, there's an aspect that you have to do in Power BI Desktop, and there's an aspect you have to do in Power BI Service. So in Power BI Desktop, if we click on the Modeling tab, we'll see these Manage Roles and View As roles right here. And this is where we set up the Power BI Desktop version. So if we click on Manage Roles, right now you see we've got 4 different roles already set up. And basically what you do is you're testing for a role equaling a specific role. So in this example, we've got leadership team role, and I coded it to say where the role is equal to leadership team. So basically what's happening is once the employee if their email address is assigned to that role, they'll show up in Power BI Service. We've also got the user principal name, which is for every single person's specific email address. So when they log in, it just goes with their email address rather than being grouped into a role. Real quickly, I'll create another role, which we've got one other type of employee in here, which is the consultant. So if we go into the table filter DAX expression, say where role equals consultant, and hit save. And so what you're going to see when you click on consultant is just the consultant's data. Now I'm going to hand it over to Paul, who's going to walk you through the Power BI Service type part of this demo.
Thanks, Jared. So this is what I would see on the Power BI Service side. On my workspace homepage, all I can see is this report. And if I open up that report, it's going to take me to this screen showing only the consultant, since that's the only role that I have set for myself, that Jared and I have set up. I can only see people that have the role of consultant in this. Now, what if I wanted to, on the service side, test and view as other roles?
Paul, let me upgrade your access real quickly. Make you a member.
Thank you, Jared. Okay. Now that I'm a member of the workspace, I'm going to refresh my side. And I should now see the data set down here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the data set and click security. And I can see the roles that Jared has set up already. Now, what if I, as an admin or member, wanted to view this as a certain side? So instead of seeing consultants, say I wanted to see marketing specialists. What can marketing specialists see in the service? So to do that, I would click these little 3 dots, the ellipses over here, and do the test as role. Now you can see up here, I'm viewing as marketing specialist, so all I can see is Sarah. And that's a neat way to test row-level security to make sure that everything's working as you would like before you push it to the end users.
Stay tuned for our next video.